Look at what?
Dad, look.
What?
Look there.
What?
What?
What is that?
No.
What is that? Oh, did you smack your foot on your chair?
Owen, what do you see over there?
What's in your stocking?
I see a dog toy, a Nemo, and
Who's that?
Oh, is that?
Pascal.
Is that
Pascal.
Oh, something's down now here. Look at this.
What's that?
That's Indiana Jones. Look. That's Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones whip?
I'm gonna use it. Oh my god. Look at
Oh
this.
my gosh. Look at this entire stocking. It is, oh, Pascal just fell out because there's so much stuff in there.
Yeah. Yes.
Here, let me put this back. Whoa.
I'll make it small.
Owen, don't pick your nose. Oh my goodness, Santa knows you like Indiana Jones?
That is so cool.
And Pascal? Oh my goodness.
Well, who's Pascal? Where's Pascal from?
From Palace. Maybe Pencil.
From Rapunzel?
Mm-hmm.
Look at your whip.
Huh?
That's your whip.
No. Where's the top? Where's the top? Where's the top for this?
There's no top.
Yep.
What do you mean, where's the top?
You look. I just want a top.
There's no top. That's what it is.